How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about the orb strategy and the trade that we caught using the orb strategy during the live this morning. Kind of walk you through that as well. But before we get going, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Get that flowing for me here. This is 100% free education and make sure you take advantage of it. So, the 15-minute range is what we wait on for the orb strategy to be considered, right? We have to wait on the 15-minute range to form. We had a nice sell off. This is the opening 5-minute candle here. A very nice sell off. Really didn't give us an entry for shorts anywhere through this. I mean, maybe you could have taken some here, but your stop would have been way up here, right? Quite a bit of risk. So we was patient. We pushed down to this hourly demand you can see here. Kind of pushed back out of it on lowering volume. So I couldn't really take longs in this because of that. But when we have lowering volume coming back up towards 15-minute range low, which in this case happened to be the 50% area as well, the high volume candle here. So this is what confirmed the orb for me, this high volume candle. That's exactly what you need for a breakout candle to consider the orb, right? So we pushed back up. There was two possible entries for me here. One was around 800, closer to this volume-based resistance, previous day point of control. Or I want to see a break above 15-minute range low. Then once we was coming back out of it, that's where I wanted my short entry. And that's what we got. We got in this trade right at 746. We set our stops up around this area here. We had a nice push down. We caught over 100 points from this trade during the live. The recording is here on YouTube as well if you want to check it out live. And if you have any questions or feel like I left anything out of this, I'm not going to go too in depth about taking long setups. I want to keep this video more focused on short setups like this. But yeah, if you have any questions, drop them in chat. I just want to say I appreciate everyone that still takes the time to watch free education. Seems like everyone just wants signals and all that stuff these days. And I feel like that's something we have to get rid of, right? That's just the wrong vibe. Let's share this video. One thing for those still around, I will be live today trading Asia, 7 p.m. ET. I'm going live again, see if we can catch another winning trade or at least have a good conversation. But I hope to see you all there. Peace.